Welcome to the second part, guys. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys from the whole beginning. After putting the cassava into that drum, we waited for 5 days. Was it 5? Yes, 5 days, and it became soft like this. So my mom said the next step is filtering. So she said you're going to have to filter the cassava to bring out the thick parts, which is the food. That was how she explained it to me though. So this is her filtering the cassava. She put water in this bowl and she just brings it out from the drum, and puts it inside this sieve and mixes it with the water. So she said the whole thing is going to settle down the bottom of this bowl. So this is what she's going to do for the whole cassava. The whole cassava that was inside that drum. Yeah, that's what she's going to do here. So I'll just let you guys watch the whole process, and yeah. So she's done, and now she's bringing out the water from the bowl. Now this water is very thick. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really thick. And she said that's the food. This is the food that we're going to be eating later on. So yeah, she's going to pour everything into this bag, putting it in this bag so that when it thickens, it's going to thicken, and then most of the water is going to go out. So that's exactly what she's doing. Now she has put everything into the bag, and it's all inside the bag now. So she's going to try and squeeze it to see if some of the water is going to come out, to leave only the thick part. So that's what she's trying to do. And then if you can look into the bowl, you're going to see some of the water coming out from the bag. She's squeezing it now and the water is coming out. So she's going to scoop out the water. This was all the water that came out. Can you imagine? So the only thing in that sack bag now is the thick part, which is the food that's inside here. So yeah, she's just going to remove the whole water. And she said after this, we're going to leave this bag for a couple more days before we can now pound it in.